Hey, hey guys, this is Ashwin, and today we'll be investigating and finding the percentage abundance of isotopes. Now, this is an extremely common, if not extremely simple question that's asked in a lot of IB exams. When I talk about IB exams, I'm talking about HL and SL exams. Um, so if we look at the question on the board, nitrogen is made up of two isotopes, N14 and N15. Given N's atomic weight is 14.007, what is the percentage abundance of each isotope? Now, um, pause this video if you already know how to do this. If not, just follow the steps. It's extremely easy to do and will easily grant you another 4 marks in your IB exam. Alright, so step 1 is to consider this sample as being out of 100 atoms with 14n and you make 14n equal to x, while you make 15n equal to 100 minus x. If this seems a bit random or difficult to follow, just follow through it, push on, because it makes sense as I go on to explain the steps. Alright, so what you need to keep in mind, step 2, is to remember the equation for these type of problems. That is, that average mass is equal to the total mass over the number of atoms. And there you have it. So, we already have this with us right now, so what we can do is derive the total mass from this. So that's just going to be so that's just going to be 14, so we can see 14 there, so it's just going to be 14x plus 15 multiplied by 100 minus x. So this is your total mass we're talking about right here. So that's just going to be equal to 14x plus 1500 minus 15x, and we can really just simplify that to minus x plus 1500, and that's your total mass. Step 4, your average mass, as was given by the equation, as was given by the problem here, is 14.007, right? So 14.007 is your average mass. Your total mass is just going to be what we just call here. It's minus x plus 1500 divided by the number of atoms, which is 100. Now, you have to solve for x, which is really just elementary math. So that's just going to 100 times 14.07 is just going to be 1400.7 is equal to minus x plus 1500. And of course, 1500 goes to the other side, which will really just give you 99.3. Really? 99.3. Let me just check that to be sure, because my math is not exactly the greatest. Yeah, exactly. 99.3. So, now, what is x? X is going to be 14n. So we found from this, we found the percentage abundance for 14n is going to be 99.3%. Now the percentage abundance for 15n is literally, as can be seen from the variable here, 100 minus x. 100 minus 99.3, 0.7%. So there you have it, the percentage abundance for both 14n and 15n. So as you can see, this is a really easy process to understand. All you need to really memorize is the formula here, because everything else just falls into place once you know this. Thank you very much, and please post, please like the video, and yeah, thanks a lot.